My name is Caitlin Youngster, and I am a senior design professional. Our HOK Philadelphia studio participated in Sacred Places Civic Spaces. The purpose of this challenge was to demonstrate that underutilized space in historic sacred buildings throughout Philly can be activated in ways that serve a larger secular purpose and strengthen communities. We worked with the Philadelphia Masjid members and a nonprofit in the area called the People's Emergency Center to re-envision a 75,000 square foot school building. The existing site that we were working with has a really interesting procession of spaces. On the north is Clara Muhammad Square, which acts as an outdoor living room and significant community space. It's also adjacent to Lancaster Avenue, which is a major conduit into the city. The classroom building is filled with light and high-ceiling spaces ready to be reused. One of the biggest challenges of this project was determining how to best utilize the enormous amount of space available. The process incorporated a lot of community input, including an asset mapping exercise where residents and stakeholders in the neighborhood analyzed their existing assets. They then developed ideas for creative partnerships that would build upon what they already have in their community. After evaluating existing spaces, our design team collaborated with members of the masjid and residents of the community to develop 5 key program initiatives for the site. Educational spaces for workforce training and culinary training would be located in the light-filled classroom building. Flexible spaces open to the community are located on the first floor. Housing with parking, a senior center, and adjacent early childhood care building fill out the remainder of the site. The mosque remains at the center of the site, the heart of the new community hub. A new plaza provides access to many different spaces, connecting the mosque building on the right with the new housing, senior center, and preschool on the left. You can imagine members of the Philadelphia Masjid spilling out of the new mosque entry and into this plaza to gather after prayer services. The mixing of programs encourages interaction and will activate the space at all hours of the day. The pedestrian experience along the street provides a snapshot of the many users and programs on campus. The new architecture should be contextual in form and material and respond to the low-density scale of the neighborhood. The pattern screening applied to the existing building enhances the building fabric while establishing a cohesive identity for the campus. The culmination of our work on this project was a public reveal. It gave us an opportunity to receive important feedback from leaders in our community. This process, the program we developed, and its implementation will become a precedent for responsible and civically minded preservation of historic sacred buildings